Hello students, today we will study factors and multiples. Let us start. Factors means divisors. Numbers can be multiplied to get a product. These numbers are called factors of the product. If we multiply any two numbers, we get the product, then the two numbers are the factors of that product. Let us see. List the factors of 16. What two numbers gives us 16 after multiplication? Let us check. 1 into 16 is equal 16. 2 into 8 16. 4 into 4 16. Dear students, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are the factors of 16, and these are limited or finite, means only 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are the factors of 16. 1 is the universal factor, means it's divide every number, and number itself is the factor also. Now multiples. Multiples of a number are obtained by multiplying the number by natural numbers. Let us take an example. List the multiples of 4. When we multiply natural numbers in the given number, then we get multiples. 4 into 1 4, 4 into 2 8, 4 into 3 12. This way we can get infinite multiples of a number. Dear students, factors are finite but multiples are infinite. Finding HCF and LCM. Dear students, HCF means highest common factor and LCM means lowest common multiple. So there are three methods of finding HCF and LCM: listing the factors or factorization method, prime factorization method and long division method. So first of all we will discuss factorization method for HCF. Highest common factor or HCF of two numbers is the largest number which is a common factor for these numbers. Let us take an example. Find the HCF of 12 and 18. So what we are doing here, we are finding the factors of both the number 12 and 18 here. Now we are comparing them and finding the common factors. We can see 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are common in the factor list of 12 and 18. So HCF means highest common factor. These are common factors. Which one is the highest? 6. So HCF is 6. Now LCM, lowest or least common multiple. Least common multiple or LCM of two numbers is the smallest number which is a common multiple for these numbers. Find the LCM of 12 and 18. Here we are finding or listing the multiples of 12 and 18. Dear students, you know multiples means when a number is multiplied by natural number gives us multiple. So it's like a multiplication table. So I am writing the table of 12 here and table of 18 here. Now you can see there are a number of common multiples, but we want least or lowest common multiples. So we can write common multiples is 36, 72, 108. If we find more, we will get more common multiples, but here we have to find LCM is lowest common multiple. So in the list of common multiples we have 36 as LCM. 36 is the first and the lowest common multiple here. Now prime factorization method. Factorization of the type where all the factors are prime factors is called a prime factorization. Dear students, you have studied that prime numbers having only two factors, 1 and the number itself, like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. So here we can make or draw a factor tree to find prime factors, or we can use this horizontal line method, means division also. So let us see. 36 is a number. We are factorizing 36 by prime numbers only. First prime number 2. 36 is divisible by 2 18 times. Again 18 is a composite number and 2 is a prime number. So we will work for 18. 18 divided by 2 gives 9. Again 9 is a composite number and 2 is a prime number. So we are encircling the prime numbers here. Again 9 can be split into two parts, 3 into 3. So 2, 2, 3, 3. The product of these numbers will give you 36 again. So prime factors are 2 and 3. Or you can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. In this method also we are dividing this number by prime number. By 2 18 times, again by 2 9 times. Now it's not divisible by 2, so we are taking 3 by 3 times. Now find the HCF and LCM of 20, 32 and 40 by prime factorization method. So this type of division you have done in earlier classes. You can see how I have done. I am listing the factors. This 20 is giving 2 into 2 into 5, so I have written here. 32 is giving 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times I have enlisted here. So in exponential form we can write 2 is 2 times, so 2 raised to 2, and 5 is 1 time, so 5 raised to 1. Here 2 is 5 times, so 2 raised to 5, and here 2 is 3 times, 2 raised to 3, 5 is 1 time, 5 raised to 1. Now for finding HCF, what we will do, product of smallest power of each common prime factor. Here we can see only 2 is common. For 25 is a factor, for 45 is a factor, but it's not a factor of 32. So we will take the lowest power of common factor. Here 2 is the common factor in all, so lowest power of 2 is 2 raised to 2. So HCF is 2 raised to 2. 2 into 2, 4. LCM, product of greatest power of each prime factor. Here it is each common prime factor and lowest power or smallest power. Here greatest power of each prime factor. So there are two factors only, 2 and 5. So greatest power of 2 is 2 raised to 5. We are taking 2 raised to 5, and greatest power of 5 is 5 raised to 1. 5 raised to 1. Now we are getting the product 160. 160 is the LCM. Next example, find the HCF and LCM of 12, 15 and 45. So this division done. Factors are these, written in exponential form. Again, product of smallest power of each common prime factor. So here we can see only 3 is common. So the smallest power of 3 is 3 raised to 1. 3 raised to 1 is equal to 3. 3 is the HCF. And LCM, product of greatest power of each prime factor. We have 3, 2 and 5. 3 factors are here, 3, 2 and 5. So we will take their greatest power. Greatest power of 3 is 2. Greatest power of 2 is 2. And greatest power of 5 is 1. So 3 raised to 2, 2 raised to 2 and 5 raised to 1. After simplification we are getting 180. One more example. Again factorization. We are listing the factors in exponential form. Here we can see 2 is common in all, 3 is common in all. So in HCF, product of smallest power of each common prime factor. 2 is common, so smallest power of 2 is 2 raised to 2. So we are writing 2 raised to 2. 3 is also common, smallest power of 3 is 3 raised to 1. 3 raised to 1. Here 3 is 1 time, so power is 1. Now 2 raised to 2, 2 into 2, 3 raised to 1 means 3. The product is 12. 12 is the HCF of these three numbers. LCM, again we are taking product of greatest power of each prime factor. We have 2, 3 and 5. 3 types of factor or 3 factors, 2, 3 and 5. Greatest power of 2 is 6. 2 raised to 6 we are taking. Greatest power of 3 is 2. 3 raised to 2. And greatest power of 5 is 1. So here it is the LCM. Now it's your homework. Thank you, students.